There's an exciting new AI tool that can turn any image into a cartoon. And today, I'm going to guide you through on how to use it step by step. Whether you're looking to create a fun profile picture, add a unique twist to your social media posts, or simply experiment with your photos, this tool makes it easy and enjoyable. So buckle up as we dive into the process. The tool we'll be using is called Image to Cartoon, and it's completely free. And the best part is that you don't need to sign up or create an account. All you have to do is open your browser and type in image2cartoon.com. Once the site loads, you'll be greeted by a clean, simple interface that's easy to navigate. To begin, click on Upload Image, which will prompt you to select a photo from your device. Once your image is selected and uploaded, sit back and watch the magic happen. The AI processes the image quickly, analyzing the details and transforming it into a cartoon rendition. This transformation typically takes just a few seconds. When the conversion is complete, you'll notice how the tool preserves the main features and expressions of your photo while adding a playful cartoon flair. But here's where the tool becomes even more fun. Image to Cartoon also offers a feature that allows you to create different versions of your cartoon, showcasing various characters or professions. Simply click on Options at the top of the page. Click on Cartoon Characters, then select the type of character you want and re-upload your image. Within moments, the AI will transform your photo into a customized cartoon character with the theme you selected. This is perfect for creating unique avatars or themed images for special occasions or projects. If you're looking to showcase your professional side with a twist, you can even choose from various professions like doctors, chefs, or engineers and see your photo take on a new role. Once you've explored the different character options and found one that you love, then you can go ahead and download it to your device. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.